Over 1,000 events have been taking place across the island of Ireland as part of Cruinniú. The annual event encourages children and young people to take part in creative activities in their local area.
Moving and grooving at Mullingar Library today. This was just one of hundreds of free events taking place across the island of Ireland as part of Cruinniú. For the children and their families, it's all about fun and creativity.
Oh, just something fun to do, I suppose, on a rainy Saturday.
Are you having fun?
Yeah, I think it's fantastic so far. Yeah, it's great.
It's also about trying something new.
Creativity is so important. You know, we believe in Creative Ireland that it's not a privilege, it's an absolute right. And if people can just go out there and try something new, it's just fantastic. There's so much fun, there's something for everybody. It's for all age groups from 0 up to 18.
Across the island of Ireland today, 1,300 free events are taking place. Ireland is the only country in the world that has a national day of free creativity for children and young people.
For the children at Doonashee Heritage Park in Moat, today was about expressing themselves.
But for Cruinniú, we have invited children here today to make some mosaics. We're doing different letters, and the letters are all going to make up words. This is going to be down in our amenity park.
My design is red and orange pieces, and I'm designing this for a little sign for our library.
I'm excited what it'll be like, and the fact that I can come back here and see that I have done that piece and that'll stay there.
And that excitement and creativity was clear for everyone to see. Sinead Hussey, RTE News, Moat in County Westmeath.